everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. So today I'm going to be doing a round painting. It's been a really long time since I did a round painting. Oh, there goes my baby barking at who knows what. It's really windy, so he's probably barking at leaves and pine cones falling off the trees. What was I saying? Oh yes, round painting. And I'm going to be using my beloved Aussie Floetrol. I love this stuff. It's amazing. The colors I'm going to be using, this is a cadmium orange that I added some white to kind of make it a little bit more of a peachy color. And then I have aqua green, I have some Prussian blue, some Payne's gray, and of course white is going to be my cell activator. So I think I'm going to lay the paint down in a line and then blow it instead of swiping it. So we'll see how that looks. I was trying to decide if I wanted to use the Payne's gray at all. I might just use the Prussian blue and not the gray. I don't have that much of the Prussian blue made, but I don't know. We'll put just a little bit of the gray, just a teeny bit. And then we're going to put this Prussian blue. I should have made some more, but I thought I was going to have just enough. All right, now the aqua green. And there he goes again. He's a 10-pound Maltipoo, but thinks he's like a 90-pound German Shepherd. So we just let him believe what he wants to believe, and you know, whatever he wants to be, I'm just gonna let him be. Oh, here he comes. Hi, sweetheart. You want to say hi to everybody? Oh, there he is. Say hi. Here he is. I know. You're such a good watchdog. Yeah, you are. All right, say bye. All right, hop down before I accidentally turn you blue. Don't you go towards that open door, though. He's spying the open back door, so now he's like, Sebastian Edwards. And there he goes. I'm gonna have to go get him real quick. Come back. It's the one hard thing about having a dog and having to have your door open so you can breathe and not get asphyxiated by the fumes. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more pink peach, because this is really pretty. All right. So now I'm going to put my cell activator down. I think I'm just going to kind of do it in sections so I can blow it and it's not going to sink too bad. Okay. Bring it a little bit closer to me. All right. So I'm just going to keep doing this in sections. Might take me a while. And 10 years later, when I'm still blowing this thing, it looks cool though, right? Oh, I love this effect. Take a little bit of a breather. Don't forget to like take a breather when you're doing this because you don't want to pass out. Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right. All right, so now I think I'm going to start on this side and come in. Oh, so pretty. All right. Whew, I'm out of breath. I got one more little area to get, and then we can do some tilting. But oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. couple last blows and we're done. There has to be an easier way to do this. I wonder if a straw would be good. Nah, not really. All right. Beautiful. Just gonna kind of let that sit for a second, catch my breath, and then we'll tilt. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I almost don't want to tilt it, but I'm going to. All right, so trying to decide if tilting it in a circle or just going for it and tilting it side to side is the best approach. I think I'm just gonna go for it because why not? So let's see what happens. I'm gonna turn it this way so I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to kind of tilt it a little bit further because I want to see if I can get this lacing to stretch out a little bit more. Kind of stretching it back and forth. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like it kind of off center like that. That's really pretty. Wow. Oh yeah, that's cool. I think I'm going to leave it like that. Oh shoot, I was so excited to do this painting, I forgot to put tacks underneath. Well, I've got some cups. I think I'll lay my cups underneath. Let me grab those. Maybe three cups would be good. Oh, they're gonna have to be the same height. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go around and make sure all the edges are covered. I think they are. Actually work pretty well. Awesome. Yeah, that looks really cool. I love the lacing in the middle. And I kind of like it kind of being off center. Makes it a little more interesting. But yeah, I've never been much for round canvases, mainly because they're so cool, I think, but they're not big sellers, at least not for me. Of course, maybe it's just my my round canvases. But this looks really cool. I really like this. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about the lacing and about the colors and all that. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. If you would like to take the Shelly Style or Shelly Art Style course, I have an affiliate code that could save you 15%. It's in the description box. So check that out, and I will see you guys on the next one.